Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 25. And our prompts for this week is a game or puzzle piece. I've got this Monopoly money. Graph paper. I've got a little piece of graph paper. Geometric shapes. I've got this little piece of paper that's got triangles all over it that my friend Maggie gave me. She also gave me this key and something found in the forest. She gave me this owl. And I also have a fox. And our bonus is a decorative border, so I thought I would use these gems. So I hope everybody is doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope everybody is having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And I hope your week will be great. We have been getting so much rain. And it's supposed to rain most of next week. Let's see. I don't really have an idea how I'm going to do this. I think I will ink around this just to give it a little definition. And around my graph paper. I'm not sure how. I have not laid this out. I usually kind of have an idea of what I'm doing. But I will go ahead and get this down. I haven't crafted. I'm doing this Saturday night. I have not crafted since Monday. I have not felt very well this week. And I am really struggling with my mojo. Okay. I think we all have those days. Let's see here. I figured I'd put the owl up at the top. And maybe flip it around because of the way they're looking. Maybe something like that. I have some extra pieces. Got some die cuts that Maggie also sent me. I thought I would use. I love this beautiful flower. And I love the butterflies. And I've got my key. Maybe something like that. And I can't forget my border. I think I'll get my border down first so I have some idea what I'm working with. Well, shoot. There we go. Well, I could go a little bit up, couldn't I? I'm really struggling here. I am really struggling. That's the way it's been all week. Oh, goodness. Okay. Yeah, it's going to be more of an edging than a border. I guess I could go around. Why not? Let's make it pretty. And we'll just put that one down there. Now I've got a decorative border. Now, let's see what we can do with these pieces. Don't need that one. All right. Well, yeah, besides rain, not a whole lot's been going on. The day this comes out will be Father's Day here in the United States. I miss my daddy, so if you have a daddy, you make sure you take the time to visit if you can, call, whatever you can do, because I would love to have see my daddy again. Oh. Now I've always had a love-hate relationship with Fabric-Tac, and I'm getting that way with art glitter glue because it's gotten where it just stops up so easily. Okay. Now let's get the money down. Kind of stagger everything. And I love the sticker, so I'm going to use that. And I'm going to put this down here. This came from one of my autumn cut and collage book, but I loved the image. And I love these die cut flowers that Maggie did. The color of the paper I love. And I don't know if that, I think that's just paper. I don't think it's a sticker. If it is, I'm just going to glue it down. And have my butterfly. These are beautiful. I don't even know if I have any die cut for my butterfly. I'm just going to glue the bottom part down. I know it'll get mashed in my book, but for right now, it looks pretty. Okay. And let's see what I have. I have some of these flowers. I wouldn't mind popping around just a little bit. Just a few. One right there. One right there. And one right there. And let's get out the gold paint so that we can do some splatters. Lost a few. There we go. Go. So, we have our game, our puzzle piece. I've got my Monopoly money, got my graph paper, geometric shape, got all these little triangles, key, got my key, something found in the forest. We've got an owl and a fox, and the bonus is our decorative border. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP25 to see what everyone else has made. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye.